Here are 10 hair growth masks that you can try, using natural ingredients that promote healthy hair growth, so watch this video completely. 1. Coconut oil and honey mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 tablespoon honey. Instructions: mix coconut oil and honey. Apply to the scalp and hair, massaging gently. Leave for 30 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Why it works: coconut oil hydrates and nourishes the hair, while honey promotes moisture retention and softness. 2. Egg and olive oil mask. Ingredients: 1 egg, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Instructions: beat the egg and mix with olive oil. Apply to scalp and hair, leave for 20 to 30 minutes, then wash with shampoo. Why it works: eggs are rich in protein and biotin, which helps strengthen hair, while olive oil nourishes and adds shine. 3. Aloe vera and castor oil mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon castor oil. Instructions: mix the ingredients and apply to the scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Why it works: aloe vera promotes scalp health, while castor oil improves circulation and stimulates hair follicles. 4. Avocado and banana mask. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 ripe banana. Instructions: mash the avocado and banana together. Apply the mixture to the hair, focusing on the scalp. Leave for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Why it works: avocado is rich in vitamins and healthy fats, while banana helps to add moisture and reduce hair breakage. 5. Fenugreek seed mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons fenugreek seeds, 1 cup water. Instructions: soak fenugreek seeds overnight, blend them into a paste, and apply to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse. Why it works: fenugreek seeds are packed with nutrients that promote hair growth and help reduce hair fall. 6. Onion juice and honey mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons onion juice, 1 tablespoon honey. Instructions: mix onion juice and honey, then apply the mixture to the scalp. Leave it for 20 to 30 minutes before washing off with shampoo. Why it works: onion juice stimulates hair follicles and increases circulation, while honey moisturizes and soothes the scalp. 7. Rosemary and olive oil mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 10 drops rosemary essential oil. Instructions: mix olive oil and rosemary oil. Massage into the scalp and leave for 30 minutes before washing. Why it works: rosemary oil increases circulation to the scalp and promotes healthy hair growth. 8. Yogurt and honey mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey. Instructions: mix yogurt and honey, then apply the mixture to your hair. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse with warm water. Why it works: yogurt nourishes and strengthens hair, while honey locks in moisture. 9. Lemon and coconut oil mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Instructions: mix coconut oil and lemon juice, then apply to the scalp and hair. Leave for 30 minutes before rinsing. Why it works: lemon helps reduce dandruff and improve scalp health, while coconut oil nourishes the hair. 10. Green tea and aloe vera mask. Ingredients: 1 cup brewed green tea, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Instructions: brew green tea and let it cool. Mix with aloe vera gel and apply to the scalp. Leave for 30 minutes, then wash off. Why it works: green tea contains antioxidants that promote hair growth, while aloe vera soothes and nourishes the scalp. If you guys like this video, so do hit the subscribe button.